Welcome back. You know, it's funny because last time we talked, I mentioned on here that it had been a while since I had done a video, and it was because we were so busy. And now it has been a while again since we've done a video because we've been so busy. So that's great. That's wonderful. That means we're able to serve the people of, mainly the Southwest Florida area and finding new homes and selling their homes and all of the things. But anyway, welcome back. We are so excited to have you. Today we are going to talk about 3 easy home improvements that you can do when it comes to selling your home. Right now is an excellent time to maybe think about making that final decision to perhaps sell your home because it's a crazy seller's market. So we're going to talk about 3 things that are easy fixes to make your home sell quickly. All right, let's go. So let's get to tip number 1. It is the first thing that buyers see when they come up to the house, and we call this curb appeal. So the curb appeal is the beautiful, well, you want it to look beautiful, exterior on the outside of the house. So of course, when buyers come up, this is the first thing they see. This is what makes them say, I'm gonna love this, or, not so much. So this doesn't just mean painting or putting up new siding, although those can be things that can definitely make a huge difference. But you can also benefit from minor renovations like fixing up broken windows and scrubbing away dirt that's maybe stuck on the stucco. I'm thinking more, of course, of our homes down here in Florida. We have a lot of stucco. A few other easy simple tasks that you can do to improve the curb appeal is to really just get the lawn in shape, okay? So you want to prune and shrub the trees. You can spread mulch. That is a very inexpensive way of just making it look nicer from the outside. Be sure to clean the gutters and paint the trim, the railings. It just all will give the overall look of the outside of the home just a fresh look. And these are easy things. Just take a Saturday and get these things done. It will make a world of difference when those buyers walk up to the house and they see it and it just looks clean and fresh. So that's tip number 1. Pay attention to the curb appeal and make sure it is looking good. Here is tip number 2. A fresh coat of paint can make all the difference in the world. Think about when you walk into a house and you see fresh, clean paint on the walls. It just makes a huge difference, and it's a very small task that you can get done. I mean, you can do this on your own very easily and still make it look really good. Of course, you can hire a professional and it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. So when you think about colors, it might be a good idea to stick to neutral colors just because it makes it easier for the buyer to really picture themselves in the home because, it's not too tailored to the homeowner's personality. One thing to avoid is a red brick or barn type color in the kitchen. It is said that in the kitchen, if this color is on the walls, like a red brick or barn color, then homes will sell for more than $2,300 less in list price, if that makes sense. So just try your best to stay close to neutral colors because that's just going to make it easier for the buyer to really picture themselves in the home. Think about it. If you're going into a home, you want to make sure that you can picture yourself there. If there's one thing that I always hear from buyers, it's, can I picture myself living here? And sometimes it is hard for all buyers to look beyond things like a bright green paint color or a bright red paint color. So just make it easier on yourself and it will make for a quicker sale if you have a fresh coat of paint that is typically in more neutral colors. Tip number 2, a fresh coat of paint. All right, here is tip number 3. Are you ready? Tip number 3, if you are thinking about really doing some upgrades, really focus on the bathrooms and the kitchen. These are the moneymaker rooms in a home. Consider maybe a few little upgrades that you could probably just do yourself by just simply updating the look of the kitchen and the bathroom. You can replace the faucets, maybe refinish the cabinets, add new knobs and pulls on the cabinets and drawers just to give it a more fresh and updated, more modern look. When it comes to bathrooms, you could recaulk the tub and the toilet and just make sure that some of that lighting is not too outdated. Those are easy little fixes that you could simply do on your own or maybe with a little bit of help, but that's not going to cost you nearly as much money. But those little fixes are going to go a long way when it comes to selling your home. So those are our top 3 tips for making your home a quick sale. Curb appeal, fresh paint, and when it comes to updating, think about the kitchen and the bathroom. All right, thanks for sticking around. If you want to start the conversation, please put down what your experience has been with selling your home or buying your home, what you like about homes and things like that down in the comments if you would. And thank you so much for joining. If you could, just smash that subscribe button and a like because it really helps our algorithm to get seen by more people and be able to help more people when it comes to buying and selling and living the Southwest Florida experience. All right, until next time, we'll see you soon. Thanks for joining.